Hey guys, I'm Sam from SimpleAdmin, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install SimpleAdmin Pro so you can integrate your Roblox game with Discord and our API. First off, let's join the SimpleAdmin Discord server. We're going to need this later so we can activate our SimpleAdmin Pro key. So we're going to head over to https://simpleadm.in, and it should prompt you to join the server. If it doesn't, just copy the link at the top, paste it into Discord, and hit join. After we join the SimpleAdmin server, let's also invite the SimpleAdmin bot to our Discord server. This server is going to be our base of operations and will be linked to our Roblox game. So let's head over to simpleadm.in/bot, select our server, and invite the bot. We'll do this verification. And now we have the bot in our Discord server, right there. Now that we've invited the bot, let's open up Roblox Studio. So once you have a place opened in Studio, make sure you have SimpleAdmin already installed in your game. If you don't know how to install SimpleAdmin, I have another video on how to do that. So let's head over to Game Settings at the top, go to the Security tab, and make sure you hit Allow HTTP Requests. We'll hit Save. Now let's head back into our browser, head to https://simpleadm.in/pro, and this is going to download the SimpleAdmin Pro package onto your computer. Once that's downloaded, drag it into Studio like this, and move it into your SimpleAdmin Packages server folder, which will be right here. So SimpleAdmin Pro is now installed into your game, but we need to redeem our activation key, and we'll also need to generate an API key. So let's open up Discord, head to the SimpleAdmin Discord server, go to bot commands, and let's type redeem, and hit enter. It's going to say prompt will resume in direct messages, and you can see we have a message from the bot. So it's going to ask us to paste our SimpleAdmin Pro key. So let's grab our key right here, paste it in, and hit enter. Then it's going to ask us if we'd like to create or renew an API key. If you already own SimpleAdmin Pro and are trying to extend your license, you can select renew, but for now we're going to be creating a key. So let's type create and hit enter. The bot's going to ask us if we're sure, and we're going to say yes. And now we have our API key. So this API key is going to be how we link our Discord server and our Roblox game. So now that we have the API key, let's link it to our Discord server. So we're going to copy this API key, head over to our Discord server, type -init, and hit enter. This is going to start another prompt with the Discord bot, and it's going to ask us to paste our SimpleAdmin API key. Paste the key that you had up here, and it's going to ask us if we're sure again. We'll hit yes, and now it's successfully linked to our Discord server. So now for the last step, we have to link our API key to our Roblox game. So let's head back into our Roblox game, go over to our SimpleAdmin model, head to the settings file, and all we're going to do from here is paste our API key into the API property, just like this, and paste it. Now we've successfully set up SimpleAdmin Pro. So now we're pretty much finished. So now you can see I have a split screen view, and we can test SimpleAdmin Pro out. So let's hit play. Now you can see that if we test it, we're able to do things such as send messages, and we're also able to shut down the server. You can also kick, ban, warn, and flag people, and we also have a fully customizable API that lets you implement your own requests and commands. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and if you have any other questions, feel free to leave them in the comments or shoot me a message on Discord. Have a good one.